Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have two Walgreens hauls for you guys. I did two transactions. These deals started today, which is March 6th, and they are good up until Saturday, March 12th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload weekly videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay guys, so for both transactions, I did use two digital boosters on each account. Well, I used a digital booster per account that I used. So we're going to go ahead and get started with my first transaction. Now, with my first transaction, the only issue that I had was that one of my digital coupons did not come off, and then the cashier had already warned me that their Catalina machine was not working, so I was aware that I wasn't going to receive my registry rewards for some of the deals that I did. But it's okay, I contacted Catalina and they are going to mail me those Catalinas. So in my first transaction, oh, and by the way, you guys, I will have a Google document linked in the description box below, just in case you guys want to pull that up and take it to the store with you if you are interested in these deals. And then if you see me looking down, it's because I am looking at my notes. I want to make sure that I am explaining this correctly. So we're going to go ahead and start with the soft soap body washes. So I went ahead and I grabbed a total of 4 of the soft soap hand soaps. And these are priced at $1.99, and they are buy one, get one 50% off. So 2 will ring up at $1.99. Your other 2 will ring up half off at 99 cents. So when you purchase all 4, that's going to bring your total to $5.96. The deal is when you buy 4, you will receive back $4 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase your 4. It's going to bring your total to $5.96. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that $1 digital coupon, it's going to bring your total down to $4.96. And then you will get back that $4 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 4, which will bring your total down to just 96 cents for all 4. Or it'll make each one just 24 cents. So this is a really good deal to do this week, you guys. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these big Soleil razors. Now I scanned these razors in the store, and when I scanned them, the price showed $6.29. But when I actually checked my receipt, they rung up at $6.79. But they are buy one, get one 50% off. And when you buy 2, you will receive back $2 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to purchase 2. One is going to be $6.79, or your store may be a little bit cheaper or higher. But $6.79, the second one rung up half off at $3.39. So $6.79 plus $3.39 brought my total to $10.18. We do have a 6 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. With using that digital coupon, it brought my total down to $4.18. And then I did receive back my $2 in Walgreens cash for purchasing 2, which brought my total down to $2.18, or it makes each one just $1.09. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Dove body washes, and these are priced at Walgreens this week at 2 for $14. So you will purchase 2, your total will be $14. They are buy 2 and receive a $4 registry reward. So you're going to purchase 2 at $14. I use this printable $5 coupon right here. Save $5 on any 2 Dove products. I use this printable coupon. So $14 minus this $5 coupon brought my total down to just $9. And then since I purchased 2, I received, my registry rewards didn't print, but I contacted Catalina, so I am going to get that registry reward back. But you will receive back a $4 registry reward. That brought my total down to $5 for both, or it makes each one $2.50. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 Gain products. So I grabbed the Gain fabric softener. This is priced at $5.49. We do have a $1 digital coupon, bringing the total down to $4.49. And then with the Gain liquid, same thing, priced at $5.49. We have a $1 digital coupon, bringing the total down to just $4.49. Now, the reason why I got these is because I need some Gain in my stockpile. I've been selling a lot of Gain, so I need some Gain in my stockpile. And then I also forgot to mention on this transaction that I also used a paper booster. I paired that with my digital booster. So for my digital booster on this particular account, it was get $6 in Walgreens cash when you spend $25. And then I also used a paper booster, get $9 in Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So that is everything that I got in this transaction, you guys. I know you all cannot see my receipt, but everything rung up exactly how it was supposed to. The only issue that I had was that my $6 digital coupon did not come off for the big razors. And then on this transaction also, I used 4 registry rewards so that I could have a lower out of pocket. I used 2 $3 registry rewards, 1 $5 registry reward, and 1 $6 registry reward. So after registry rewards and digital coupons, my subtotal came out to be $16.12. And then in Walgreens cash rewards, I got back a total of $22.13. But even though my subtotal was $16.12, I still have to factor in the registry rewards that I used. I used $17 worth of registry rewards, so I'm just going to add that 17 to my total, which brings my overall total to, I got it here, $33.12. And then in Walgreens cash rewards, I got back $22.13. So $33.12 minus the $22.13 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $10.99. Now, of the $22.13, 6 came from my digital booster, get 6 when you spend $25. 9 came from my paper booster, get $9 when you spend $40. $2 came from my big razors, and my $4 came from the soft soap, and then the extra $1.13 came from the Walgreens everyday points. So that is a total of $22.13. So now I am at $10.99. Now, guys, today with Walgreens, with customer service, was absolutely one of the worst times that I have contacted customer service. So, and then the thing about it is it was not just one representative, it was multiple representatives. And I was just like so irritated today. Like I was really, really irritated because it's so sad how some of these people do not know the Walgreens coupon policy, right? So my $6 digital coupon did not come off for my razors. Contacted customer service. I chatted with them first before I called. So I chatted. They were like, I'm sorry, but the reason why your digital coupon didn't come off is because you cannot use a digital coupon on sale price items. And then so I politely told them that that was incorrect. And I told them that I have other items in my transaction that are sale items. For an example, Gain. The sale price for Gain this week is $5.49. The regular price for Gain is like over $7, like $7.49. And I told them that. The moment I told them that, they ended my chat. They literally ended my chat. They didn't respond. They just ended my chat. Chatted with somebody else, did the same thing. Chatted with somebody else, did the same thing. So after chatting with multiple representatives, I decided to go ahead and call. I called, spoke to a representative. She told me the same thing. She was like, I'm sorry, but you cannot use a digital coupon on sale price items. They have to be regular items, regular price items. And I politely told her that that was incorrect. And then I just asked her if I could speak to a manager, and she said that there wasn't a manager available. So I was like, okay, but she said that she took down my name information, and she said that she was going to forward it to a manager and they will contact me. And I was like, okay. So I decided to call back one more time. So I called back, and finally, I had gotten a representative that understood the coupon policy, and she was able to credit me the $6 in Walgreens cash rewards. And then I also mentioned to her about the previous representatives that I had spoken with, about them telling me that I couldn't use a digital coupon on sale price items. And she was like, yeah, I'm so sorry that they gave you the incorrect information, because that is for sure incorrect. She was like, you do know your stuff here, and you can most definitely use a digital coupon on sale price items. You know, sometimes in the Walgreens system, coupons just don't come off. So, and then I also let her know that the representatives that I spoke with, they all ended my chat, which was very rude. And then so she also said that she was going to forward that message to the, you know, the higher up people, the managers or whatever. So finally, and it took me about an hour, you guys. I literally was speaking to different people, and it literally took me an hour before I actually got that one representative that understood the policy. So I was able to get my $6 in Walgreens cash because I really did not want to go back to the store and return these. So I'm very grateful that she credited my account with the $6. So just to let you guys know, I have no idea why mine didn't come off. It could potentially be because of the registry rewards, even though it still should have come off. But you know, whenever you're using registry rewards and digital coupons, there is a chance that your registry rewards may kick your digital coupon out. So with that being said, I contacted Catalina already. Well, I filled out the Catalina form for my Dove products, so I should be receiving my $4 registry reward in the mail. So $10.99, and once I received that $6 from customer service, that brought my total down to $4.99. And then once I received my $4 for my Dove, that will bring my total down to just 99 cents. So for this transaction, I paid only 99 cents, which was fantastic, you guys. It wasn't free, but the only way that it did end up being free is because of the moneymaker that I got in my second transaction, which I am about to explain to you guys right now. And I want to just go ahead. You guys may or may not be able to see it, but I want you to see that I did get back that $22.13 in Walgreens cash rewards. So that's everything in my first transaction, you guys. And so now we are going to go ahead and move on over to my second transaction. And so in my second transaction, I went ahead and I purchased 2 packages of the Huggies wipes, 2 packages of the Huggies little snugglers, and then I purchased these Poise pads right here. Well, these Poise liners right here. So with this transaction, you guys, there is a SHOPKICK bundle where you can get back 3,400 kicks, which is $13.60. I also used a digital booster on this transaction, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend 20. And then there is also an IBOTTA rebates for the Huggies diapers. So with the Huggies diapers, the Huggies are priced at 2 for $20 this week at Walgreens. They are also buy 2, get a $4 registry reward. So you will purchase 2, that's going to bring your total to $20. We do have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $20 minus that $5 digital coupon, that will bring your total down to just $15. And then when you buy 2, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. That will bring your total down to just $11. And then IBOTTA has a rebates for $1.50 back. The limit is 2. I purchased 2, so I got back $1.50 times 2, which is $3. So $11 minus the $3 that I got back from IBOTTA, that brought my total down to just $8. And that's not including the SHOPKICKs. I'm going to explain that after I just do the deals individually. And then next up, I went ahead and I just purchased both of these Huggy wipes. And these are priced at Walgreens at 2 for $6. I did use a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. So $6 minus that $1 digital coupon brought the total down to just $5. And then lastly, I went ahead and I grabbed this package of Poise liners. This is the 26 count. This is priced at Walgreens for $7.29. I used a $2 digital coupon on this, and that brought the total down to $4.29. So before coupons, the total for all of this came out to be $33.29. After my $5 digital coupon for the Huggies, $2 digital coupon for the Poise, $1 digital coupon for the Huggies, that brought my total down to $25.29. In Walgreens cash rewards, I got back a total of $5.91. And that came from my digital booster, get $5 in Walgreens cash when you spend 20. So $25.29 minus that $5.91 that I got back in Walgreens cash rewards, that brought my total down to $19.38. And then when you buy 2 Huggies, you will receive back a $4 registry reward. So that brought my total down to $15.38. And then I submitted my receipt to IBOTTA, and I got back a total of $3 for purchasing both of the bags of Huggies. So that brought my total down to $12.38. And then when you buy Huggies, Huggies wipes, Poise, and then Huggies diapers on SHOPKICK, when you buy them in a bundle, you will get back 3,400 kicks, which is $13.60. So I got back $13.60. Well, I'm going to get $13.60 back from SHOPKICK. Sometimes SHOPKICK credits you right away, and sometimes it'll take a few hours for them to credit you. I've already done this particular offer on SHOPKICK one time, and they credit me the next day. So I know that I'm going to get the kicks back. So $12.38 minus $13.60, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $1.22 moneymaker. And again, my registry reward didn't print. The cashier already let me know that their machine was down. I've already submitted my receipt to Catalina, and I should receive my $4 registry reward here soon. So because of that, that's why I'm including that in this transaction. So completely free, plus a $1.22 moneymaker. So my first transaction cost me 99 cents. This transaction was a moneymaker of $1.22. So I'm just going to apply that $1.22 moneymaker to my transaction that I paid 99 cents for. When I do that, that means that all of this stuff ended up being completely free, plus a 23-cent moneymaker, you guys. So this was a fantastic transaction. Even though I had the issues with customer service, guys, like I say, it was so annoying. It was so annoying, but I was respectful to all of the representatives, but it was just so annoying with all of them telling me the same thing. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button right now, you guys. Go ahead and click it along with the notification bell so that you guys will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. Also, don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did get some points back on both receipts. I will insert pictures. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Or if you sign up right now, I think Fetch Rewards is giving you 4,000 points right now, which is $4. But that's only for a limited time. And then also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will also have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys have gotten so far or what you plan to get. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.